Hey, Spring Truck Gamers. I'm here in Georgia. We're at a coffee shop. I got a milkshake of vanilla. Good. And I had to come here to escape from Irma, so I might be in Georgia for a little bit. What? See, I'm not gonna tell you. Okay, I'm coming. Tell you the place. I don't want y'all to come here with me. Yeah, I'm getting a dog, by the way, today. I'm getting a dog. He's gonna be in the vlogs. He's gonna be his name's gonna be Crusher. Crush for short. And I'm joined here today with Nightmare Foxy Gamer 77. So we're just in this place. It's crazy up here. It's cold. It's kind of creepy too. So that's our car right there. Jesus, it's crazy here.
A Coke.
Oh, you getting Coke?
Yeah, I got Coke. The Freddy Fazbear. Don't touch my Coke. Coke. Freddy Fazbear's alert. Freddy Fazbear's addicted to Coke.
Yeah, I'm staying at mine.
I'm addicted to Mountain Dew.
And so we can't make YouTube videos there. There's no service at all. So you might be seeing us at different places. Like yesterday's vlog, I'm in Georgia to escape Irma. Irma's a really powerful. It's a record of a storm. They're making a category 6 just for Irma. It sucks. I mean, like, I live in Florida. I have family in Florida that are just staying there. I have family here in Georgia too.